Yo, hello ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm on the way to work right now. It's at 4:53. Turn on the light real quick. So I'm on the way to work. I just realized that I didn't post a video last week, right? Today is Monday. And I didn't post a single video last week. And like I said, I'm supposed to post a video every week. So what I'm gonna do right now at work, since I enter early, I get to go over the charts. And since I did the weekend markup yesterday, we're gonna go over that in a bit. We're gonna go over UJ, we're gonna go over GU, we're gonna go over GJ, and we're gonna go over USD CAD. And I had already planned out GBP USD buys, and the trade literally went without me, and price retraced back at the supply and demand zone. So we're gonna go over that right now. And well, yeah, it's early. I get to do this. It's the start of a new week. Let's go. Peace and love to anybody watching. I command you health, wealth for you and your entire family. Into the charts.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's get into the workout. What do you mean the workout? The chart up. I'm at work already, but this is one of the things that I'm grateful for in my job, that I get to be on the charts, right? So this is a GBP USD. Let's look at it from the monthly. I guess from the monthly we're bearish, and now we're flipping bullish again. All this on the weekly. Price broke down here to 121, and we had an instant rejection to the upside. Weekly bullish engulfing candle, weekly bullish engulfing candle. Then you hop into the daily. This is what I was looking at, the daily right here. Let's hop into the 4 hour. We have this zone right here at 126.300, and this is where I talked about the buys earlier that I had missed right yesterday when the market opened. Look at this Sunday, even since 3 p.m. price flew. Look at this shit, flew 57 pips, and then it retraced, clearing everything right here. But now we're gonna see if price is gonna respect this zone again above, or we're gonna break below, test it as a lower high, and continue to over here to 125. That would be the first target. Right, so we're overall bullish on the higher time frame. So this is where I'm guessing the price is gonna continue bullish, and this could actually be a good trade, but I would want to get an extra confirmation before I enter this trade, because it could easily hit stop loss already. Right, so I would want to see maybe a bullish engulfing candle above these highs, or maybe this high right here, maybe a higher low to continue bullish. Right now it'll just be predicting. Let's go into GJ. What are we looking for? JJ. Hop into the weekly, hop into the monthly. You can see in the monthly we're bearish. We're below the strong supply and demand zone. Strong supply, demand, and we're obviously below it currently. It's at 195, and we did have a bearish engulfing candle below 195 after testing 208. After testing 208. Sorry if I'm sounding weird, because I'm drinking my coffee. Gotta wake up in the morning to go to the weekly. You can see the weekly respected this weekly supply right here at 199, and price literally dropped. Had became demand once before. Well, other than that, just mainly supply respected it, and we created lower highs below 195. And these are weekly levels right here. Let's zoom into the daily. As you can see, this was a weekly supply that was respected last week. We're still respecting it, right? This is what I'm looking for right now, currently for GJ, for price to hit 187.200 and possibly give us a trade. So that's on the daily. Let's go into the 4 hour. As you can see, price might come back up to over here. Maybe retest this zone again to continue. That can very possibly happen. So let me set an alarm here. And let me set an alert here. Because these are key levels for GJ. So let's wait for price to get here, possible shorts, or let's wait for price to get here, possible buys. If it rejects above or breaks below, bearish engulfs and creates a lower high, then shorts. All we have to do now is wait. And now let's go to USD CAD. The USD Canadian dollar is pretty choppy. It's bearish, but it's choppy. It was bullish, but it flipped bearish. It's flipping bearish. So you can see it was overall bullish. I mean, on the monthly, it's still overall bullish, right? Because this could for price to come and retest to 139. It could create a higher low here and continue bullish, something like this. So on the monthly, I think I put it bullish turning bearish. Let me see. Yeah, monthly bullish turning bearish yesterday at 7:19 a.m. So now I was going to the weekly. You can see on the weekly you have some fat bearish engulfing candles, especially this one right here below 142.800. So if price can freaking ads happen to the daily, if price can possibly retest here again 142.800 and create a lower high, I definitely see price melting on the way down. And obviously shorts below 141.600 if price can bearish engulf and create a lower high as well below here. But if price does possibly this, breaks above, creates a bullish engulfing candle and creates a higher low, then I definitely do see price continuing to the upside. But more than likely, we have to still wait. So let me set an alert here. Now let's just wait. So it's mainly just waiting, man. That's one of the things that when I was in a beginner trader, I hated to do, was wait. So I was hoping to USDJPY, but it's literally one of the best things that helps you out in trading. Look at all of this price testing, this previous area of demand zone, and the price can stay above 149.500. I definitely could see price continuing to the upside on UJ. Let's see what it does. On the 4 hour, we still have not gotten that. I mean, look at this big candle right here compared to these small tiny bullish candles, right? We need to see one of these candles but bullish version, something like this. Price breaks below, breaks above, and maybe creates a bullish engulfing candle like this. Then we're talking for buys, right? For now, I still wouldn't be waiting for buys. And then this would actually be breaking structure right here. Oh, fucker. This would actually be breaking structure. But it would obviously be buys to 152, because at 152 we could get the reversal. Back down. So now we just have to wait as well. See what price does. If it stays above 149.500, possible buys to 152. If it rejects back down below, we could definitely get the sales back to 145.500, which is a pretty strong. All of these lows that we haven't cleared, right? Now we just have to wait. I believe that was everything. Let me look into the 1 hour real quick. You see the 1 hour is looking bullish, but it's looking like it's gonna buy to here, and then here we're probably gonna have either a rejection or a continuation. But I'd rather just trade GJ, USD CAD, and GU. Peace and love to anybody watching this. Peace and love. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're going over the trade. I'm adding this to this video. It's literally the same day, but I'm just going over watching some goats right here. The Canelo and Mike Tyson. Bought some boxing wisdom. But this was a trade that I took today. I took 3 trades, or 2, but with this, the short one, the previous short is 3. But just look at this. The first trade was right here, and I closed at 24 pips. And look at this. Obviously, you look on the 1 hour. Strong supply, strong supply, strong supply, strong supply. Broke above, bullish engulfing, demand, retested, demand. That's the one that I talked about in the previous video. And then this is today, right? We were below 126.300. Let's go into the 30-minute. See, on the 30-minute we had already bearish engulfed, and this happened during New York session. Right after New York session already, it was already 7:30. Let me go into the 15-minute. You can see clear. Let me go into the 5-minute, so you can see a clear input within the range, and I just did not peep it, and I got in against the damn input within the range. Look at this. So this was the trade right here. Price melted, and then here it creates the impulse. Look, why is it an impulse within the range? Short a halt because it breaks highs, price retraces, and instantly gives us a reaction. So here was a buy right here, clear as day buy. And what did I do? I got in freaking sells because I didn't even go into the smaller time frames. I stayed in like the 4 hour, the 1 hour. I stayed like in the 30-minute, and I was just looking at price after the 30-minute bearish engulfing candle, creating this lower high and continuing, which it did happen. I mean, obviously it did happen. Price, my stop loss would have never gotten hit. I would have gotten into some drawdown, but what did I do? I fucked up because I closed in drawdown minus 24 pips. My stop loss would have never gotten hit, and I got into buys. And what did price flew for a little bit, right? It tested the supply right here perfectly. Look at this, perfectly retested it, and then instantly melted right back. And then I closed the buys at 17 pips and got into sells again. But all of this could have been avoided if I had just stayed in the damn trade or gotten in buys here. If I would have gotten into the smaller time frame, the 5-minute, the 3-minute, the 1 minute, and seen this impulse within the range, right? Obviously the TP is not going to be all the way over here. It's going to be, the first TP is going to be, it would have been this, which obviously got hit. Alright, so overall higher time frame, I'm still seeing shorts, right? I mean, look at this bearish engulfing candle below, and now this is a clear lower high in our second entry. So this is on the 1 hour, we have not bearish engulfed. But on the 30-minute, we did bearish engulf and create the lower high. So if we could get another bearish engulfing candle below these low numbers and below this, we're for sure melting. And I'm in this trade again on the $100 challenge. I mean, I was up, but with those losses earlier, as you can see, yeah, we're gonna make it back, though, no problem. And as well on the 50k challenge, which is literally getting close to the freaking to being a ganser. So we're gonna have to bring it back. This trade is we're gonna bring it back. I promise you. Peace and love to anybody watching this.